Magpamasahe ka ba? Para kang tangin ka.
Ako na, bobo. Ako na, bobo.
Halika na, Bibong. Come na. Come na. Go, 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 go.
Ako na.
Oo na. Sige, kumama, tara na. Tata?
Tama na, tata.
Sorry.
The,
Beef.
bibimbap. And then,
Number one, ano, beef or chicken?
Beef. With the drink.
Sa atin, pork na lang. Dito naman kami sa food court. Kunti lang ang tao.
I know it's
What is the taste?
really different.
Ha?
Like rice with tomatoes. Rice and carrots.
Waiter!
Which one's close?
I don't know. This taste first.
That's all I need. You mix it all up, right?
What is the taste? What of you?
Oh, yeah.
Bitchin. Ay, pati ito nalagay ko baka. So, first time niya kumain dito sa Mr. King Bob. Para maiba naman.
Different.
Ha?
It's different.
It's different.
Yeah, it's good.
Ayan, nauubos na ang pagkain niya. Yay! Try naman namin kumain dito. Ano? Sabi mo? Ano sabi mo? You're quiet. Both of you are quiet now. Both of you are quiet now. Hindi. Hindi, right?
Kasi piliin mo na naman ito ng
Medyo. Ano? Ano?
Baliw ka ba?
Sino baliw? Uy.
Video.
What is that?
Hot dog.
Apag.